For the year of the wood snake, this is the position of the globe or of the earth. So, from the eve or past 11 p.m. of January 28, 2025 to the eve or past 11 of February 16, 2026, the position of the earth is CHIEN, CHIEN, and this is trouble. So, I am now calling on all who understand esoteric principles like feng shui or feng shui, that there is the kan or the water on top and the ken, the mountain below. This also means that there is soil erosion, water on top, mountain below. And those who live on the plain will be also troubled or will be given the test of life or the challenge of life. And CHIEN can be best avoided if there is what we call camaraderie or understanding or call to mind, or everyone who is involved not only in government but also in the task endeavor of the community or a society to help one another and engage in common communication or open communication, and this may serve the earth. Because if we did not pass this point of time, not only trouble, there will be many or several wars in all parts of the globe. Ergo, me as a feng shui expert must tell this kind of position, because this is not good for everybody.